How to disable WhatsApp call on any Android. So this is applicable for all the Android or either the iOS devices as well. So to get started, open settings on your Android device or iOS, then go to apps, select app management section, and on the section tap on the search bar at the top and search WhatsApp and open the app info page of WhatsApp. So as you can see the permissions option, open it, and here you just have to open microphone and tap on done allow. Come back again and select phone as well, tap on don't allow. Now again tap on SMS and tap on don't allow. Come back, and once you have done that, select the camera, call logs and the notifications as well, and don't grant the permission for these applications on WhatsApp. Here, when you tap on the notifications, you will get access to the notification section of WhatsApp. So on the section, you just have to toggle off allow notification button. Once you have done that, let's come back. So in order to deny your notification on WhatsApp also, on this app info section only you can tap on manage notification and disable the notification of WhatsApp. So when you don't grant the permission for this application and turn off the notification of WhatsApp, this will help you to disable WhatsApp call on Android or any iOS devices as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.